Alright guys, Slow Tranquil Sense coming into you with a quick little video talking about ISOE Super and AMBROXAN. Now, eccentric molecules, molecule 01 and molecule 02, if you haven't heard, those are supposed one-note fragrances, right? But I do believe that they have more than one note, right? So molecule 01 is supposed to be ISOE Super, right? ISOE Super has a kind of floral type of component, a little woodsy, almost like cedar and floral type of notes. It has a, I don't want to say metallic tinge to it, but it kind of does, like maybe the way I see it in my head, the texture, okay? The ones that have a lot of ISOE Super, the first one that comes to mind will be Bentley Momentum Intense, Dior Homme 2020, and stuff like that. It can be a little dry, woody, and floral, right? And now AMBROXAN, of course, everybody knows AMBROXAN because of Sauvage EDT. It has that very kind of perfumey, mineral-esque type of smell. Has a nice crisp, again, a metallic kind of type of feel, man. Because when I think about this, I think about Sauvage. When I smell AMBROXAN crystals by themselves, I can kind of pick it out in Creed Aventus. And people say it's ambergris, but I mean, it could be AMBROXAN. Who cares? Let's not fight about that, right? Anyways, I got my stuff. I got 5 grams of AMBROXAN from creatingperfume.com. Now, there might be some places that might be cheaper. I haven't really researched it, but they do sell AMBROXAN. It says 5 grams, AC0119, AC840. Okay, so let's creating perfume, right? The way the crystals look, they look exactly like that. Just crystals, crystals, crystals. Now, the way I do my conversion as a solution, I usually go like 0.110 or 0.113 or 0.115 of a gram, and put it inside right here, and then fill the rest up with alcohol. So you're gonna get like a mix of like a 10, 13, 15% solution, right? AMBROXAN crystals, the way I get these, try to do like that. People who do cocaine do this, I believe, and they grab a little. I grab a little of that AMBROXAN and just put it in the vial, right? Not much room here, but let's make it work. Okay, in there, there it goes, bam. Okay, you got your AMBROXAN right in here, and what you're gonna do is very, very simple. All you're gonna have to do is fill it up with perfumer's alcohol, and you're set. Now, let me see if I have a clean. Give me 1 second. All right, forgive me, guys. I got lost in the sauce. Let me see. I really don't have a clean one of these. There's somewhere around. What is this? Let's see if I can find one. There you go. Okay, so yeah, okay, again, very simple, guys. You're gonna have to fill it. You get perfumer's alcohol. I get the same thing from Creating Perfume. Alcohol, perfumer's grain alcohol, 16 ounces, SD840B grain. So you're just gonna fill it up with perfumer's alcohol. You're gonna see how that let me see, so you guys can watch this. So you're gonna have your own homemade AMBROXAN solution and not pay that company an arm and a leg for AMBROXAN. Perfect fill. Look at that. Boom. You see the AMBROXAN's already getting mixed with the perfumer's alcohol. And you're gonna shake it up. Shake it up. Okay. Boom. I'm gonna put this in here. And of course, you see the AMBROXAN crystals on the bottom. And you're gonna see it mix. Look at that. Beautiful. It looks like the AMBROXAN crystals ain't that much inside, but believe me, they are powerful. Look at that. So what you're gonna do is just shake it up, and with time, all those crystals are gonna dissolve in the alcohol. Now, at first you spray it, and you'll smell it. You know, let me see. Yeah, you'll smell the AMBROXAN right there, right off the bat. Nice, clean type of not musky, a mineral type of feeling to it. Yeah, you're gonna get Creta Ventus, Sauvage, Arrows. You're gonna find that backbone, especially with ISOE Super. Once you smell it by itself, you're gonna start picking it out in different colognes, right? And the longer this stays doing its thing, macerating, the more potent it gets. So when you smell it and think, man, it doesn't smell too much, give it like a week and it's gonna be nice and the way it should be, right? Okay, that's the AMBROXAN. Don't put too much of the crystals in there. You want to make like a 20-25% solution, because when you start putting it on your skin, you're gonna see a white residue. That's the AMBROXAN crystals, right? So next one will be ISOE Super. Now I got this at 30 mLs at 100%. What do you say? How do you say that shit? 30% concentration. They do sell, however, different concentrations, like 15% diluted or 25% and so on and so forth, right? So it's gonna be the same measurements, man. 0.10, 0.15. I tend to eyeball it these days. So what you're gonna do is pour a little ISOE Super in here. Okay, that's about half a mil. We're gonna go for a mil though. About a mil. Ooh, that's a little too much. But you know what? Fuck it. Okay, that one is probably a good shit, man. It's a lot. But anyways, okay, same thing. You're gonna grab your perfumer's alcohol and you're gonna mix in there. Okay, there we go. Again, simple, simple, simple. Alcohol. All right, you got that going. Bam. You see the oil in the bottom. You're gonna put your little top on. And the same thing with this. The longer it stays and macerates, the more potent it's gonna get. Look at that oil mixing in with the perfumer's alcohol. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that, man. So yeah, you're just gonna shake it up. How's the AMBROXAN doing? You see, it's already melted. It's already in there. It's mixing. So let's see how this is doing. This one's still mixing. Yeah, you can see the oil in it. Let me see. Can't really see it too much right here. Anyways, okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. And now you can do whatever you like. You can do a half ISOE Super, half AMBROXAN with this. There's a ton of aroma chemicals that you can buy off creatingperfume.com. I'm not endorsed by them by any means, but that's what I went with. So AMBROXAN, you know, I'm gonna put it over my no, you know what? Hold on. I'm gonna put it on a clean piece of skin. Boom. Nice. You smell that ISOE Super. To me, I smell Bentley Momentum Intense. A nice backbone of Bentley Momentum Intense. Dior's own 2020. Nice floral, woody type of characteristic. Now, you can also do like, put a fragrance in here. Maybe like a little bit of ISOE Super. Or a concentration of it, like maybe like a concentration of this. You put it on another vial, and then put a little like at the one or whatever kind of cologne in, and you can just experiment and see how it changes. The only thing is that don't add too much ISOE Super to a fragrance, because it will eat the fragrance up. Meaning, once you start putting the more ISOE Super, you just can't really smell the cologne coming off. It doesn't radiate. It feels like the ISOE Super just eats up all the fragrance, all the scent, whatever. So yeah, there we go, man. ISOE Super and AMBROXAN, super simple to make, a lot cheaper if you make it yourself. I mean, I've had the ISOE Super for the longest time, and I'm pretty sure I'll have it for a lot longer. The AMBROXAN crystals, 5 grams. In total for this, I think I paid like maybe like 50 bucks shipped, or somewhere around those lines. So you'll get a lot of use out of them, especially if you're curious to see how it interacts with other colognes and stuff like that. So anyways, guys, Slow Tranquil Scents, my hashtag Team Overspray. Please, 25 sprays or more. Don't be a wuss. Invest in yourself. Fucks with me. I'll see you guys in the next. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that YouTube bullshit. I'll see you guys in the next.